Ever wonder how to test complex interactions and multiple responses for your voice application? Welcome to your bespoke dashboard. Start out by writing your test script. Run your test to verify your results, then switch to our YAML Editor by clicking on the top right-hand corner. Edit your script to write more complex tests. Run your tests and watch the results as they come in. Finally, enable monitoring to make sure your voice app is working 24/7. If you already have a bespoke account, try out this feature, and if you don't, sign up for a free 30-day trial to take our tools for a test ride.